In the early 90s, I had so much fun playing on my brother's Amiga, and my favorite racing game was Lotus Turbo Challenge 2. It has such amazing graphics and music. And whenever I played the racing game on the Amiga, I always used a joystick. I had no idea there was also a racing wheel you could buy. Meet the Freewheel from Logic3. Can you imagine Nigel Mansell using a joystick to control his car around a high-speed track? Probably not. That's why we came up with the Freewheel. Just plug it into your computer joystick port and experience the real sensation of driving. This will be exciting to test out. Actually, I have tested it, just to see if it works. I was a bit disappointed though, because it says here digital. So it behaves like a joystick. But still, how will it feel to drive with this? I'm not sure, but the ideal partner for your freewheel. Nigel Mansell's World Championship. Nigel Mansell's World Championship is based on the 1992 Grand Prix season, where you can experience the thrill of driving a Formula 1 car in competition with other drivers and cars over 16 different race circuits. Yeah, blah blah blah. Available for the following computers and consoles: Amiga, ST, PC, Spectrum, Amstrad, C64, and Game Boy? Okay. I'm going to try Lotus 2 first here. So I move the menu like this, so this is like a joystick. Left, right, up, 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 up. No, up. What? Okay, so it's not perfect. And the game volume is not so loud because the people upstairs are sleeping. So it works quite well. There's no problem turning the wheel or yeah, steering the car. It's a bit easier with the joystick. But it really feels great, actually. And you know, you kind of forget that it's a digital racing wheel because I'm turning really massively when it's a big turn. So it is a lot more immersive experience, actually. Going to try to accelerate. With pushing this forward. And I guess I can also remove this. It still has the plastic here. If I have it straight, then it breaks. When I'm holding it normally, it accelerates. So that's fine, actually. But yeah, I think I still prefer the button to accelerate. The Amiga 500 is a bit slow. It would be better with the AGA version and an AGA computer. The game feels a bit weird. Like it's... When there's a turn, you turn the car and it gets into this predetermined wire that you're following here when you're turning. It's like, okay, you did the right thing, you did turn the wheel in the right time in the turn, and then the game just pushes the car around the corner. It doesn't feel like I am driving the car. At least this game feels a lot better right away than the Nigel Mansell game. Even though it is stuttering quite a bit. But the game is helping me too much. It's braking for me. Auto brake? No. Auto gears? Yes. Self-rightening spin stats? Sure. Indestructible? That's okay for now. Dotted best line? No. In this game, oops. In this game, tilting the wheel back and forth for accelerating and braking feels not too bad, actually. Yeah, so to conclude this video, I think that this racing wheel is quite nice, even if it's not analog. I kind of forget and I pretend it's analog wheel. I'm turning like crazy sometimes. And in the next video, I might be able to use the analog version of this, because I was able to get a hold of it. So if it works, then I will try to play this game on my Amiga 3000 to increase the frame rate. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and I hope to see you next time.